My name is Virginia Davison. I am a nursing major here at Harding, and I am from Springfield, Missouri. So last semester I studied abroad in Zambia with the Harding in Zambia program. Through that we got to take courses while also indulging in the culture. My favorite part was working in the clinic because I am a nursing major, and through that we got to learn great nursing techniques. And they were just so great to really teach us how to be a Christian and how to be a healthcare provider. Along with that, we also took classes from a few of our Zambian professors while we were there. We learned the local language Tonga, and we also got to learn about some of their other cultural practices. I think that was another great part of being in Zambia. We get to see how you play into being a part of the culture of the world. Hearts After His is an event that his group that just came back puts on to really fundraise for the Havens, which is a children's home in Zambia that we have the opportunity to work at. It's our time to give back to them while we're back. Hearts After His, we get to go and sell crafts that we picked up while we were in Zambia, and also crafts that we have made from being back. We have a bake sale going on, which is super fun. All of the proceeds that we raise will go to the Havens for any need that they have. And we get to tell the new group about stuff that happened while we were there and just get to dance around and laugh about it. And it's just a good time to showcase Zambia and how much we love it and how much it means to us.